Hey everyone, I want to show you as I unbox this video smart lock by Lockin and show you what it's like when you open it up. Oh my gosh. Wow, look how huge this is. The other one I have is like literally this big. So really good quality. It's heavy, so you can tell that the quality's there. This is where the camera is. Wow. And this is like a doorbell that pushes. It's the other side. There's the backing to this. Looks like the battery, I'm guessing. Yeah, rechargeable battery pack. Oh, wow. So here's all the hardware. Here's all the nuts and screws. I love how this is like laid out. It's really nice. There's 2 keys. Here are the door stops. So there's 2 different ones. This part goes in the door. Here's some more screws. And then this is what goes in the door as well with the cord. So also the quick start guide. So here's all the instructions. Quick start guide's in there too. And a straight plate installation guide card. Oh, so you make sure that the door plate is in the right spot. But yeah, really excited. It is so big and so pretty, and I feel like it's going to be amazing. Highly, highly recommend it.